over, man. Nation. Man, what's happening, man? Happy New Year to y'all, man. Unfortunately, I'm starting my new year off with a little negative energy, but it's cool because it's something that can be handled, I think, quickly. Baby car just broke down, so I'm about to go and see what this is. I'm thinking it's the alternator. I hope it's just the belt, but I think it's the alternator though, because it ain't been changed since she had the car. So, and I'm sure it probably ain't been changed since before the previous owner had it either. So I'm about to go over here, man, and better go over and see what we got, man. See if I can change this out for her real quick and get her back to her car, man. Well, get her car back to her, because she had to go ahead and go to work. So, yeah, I'm about to go ahead, man, see if I can knock this out real quick. Okay, big truck. I guess you pissed off today. Decide you want to drive in 2 lanes, tanker truck with an explosive. Okay. Alright, gotcha. But yeah, man, I'm gonna shoot over here right quick. This right here is, man, a part of that good, the bad, and the ugly, man, that we be talking about. And my camera low. So yeah, let me conserve this energy, and I'll be pulling up over there in a second. Oh, yep. So, let me see what we got. Need to clean this joint up off under here, but the alternator right here, the belt don't look bad. From here, I don't see no cracks in it, so let's see the tensioner. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get started on this. Is one, I think it's 2 bolts. Yeah, let me go and get started. Alright, y'all, so got this old thing out. Old alternator. I'll go with this new one. On this 4-cylinder here, man, ain't but 2 bolts. Bolt go in right there. And a bolt right there. And then you got your little harness and stuff right here for it. Once you hit the tensioner, which is this top bolt right here, y'all see that with my finger? It's a bolt right there. It's made on to the tensioner. You ain't really gotta take the belt off the crank or nothing like that. You just really take it off the alternator and do everything like that. So Yeah, this little thing right here is on there, on the alternator. The little black bracket right here is a screw, and it go right here. That's holding all the harnesses in place or whatever. There's another, like a little tab right here. You ain't really gotta take it out. You might have to massage this AC line a little bit to get it out. Right here, then move it back and forth. But good thing it's flexible, so you ain't gotta do too much. But yeah, man, go ahead and put this thing back in here, man. Oh, and I did disconnect that negative battery, man. The negative battery cable. So yeah. But alright, let me go back over this thing. I think it's gonna start raining. Alright, so all made it back on. Everything hooked back up. Let's see. The battery light went off. Let me see. So I'm gonna go drive it. I'm gonna go and drive it and see what we got. See if it started that foolishness again. And yeah. See what we got, man. Old Sky, man. Don't y'all mind this black bumper. Gotta get that fixed. Oh boy. Let's see. No lights. I'm finna go drag this junk, man. See what's up. Hold on. Yeah. So here it is. The maintenance requires she need an oil change. And this one right here is the tire pressure, of course. She need some new tires on the back. But yeah. For the most part, man, we riding. Everything smooth. Kang had told me that the idle was gonna be different. After I connected the battery back, which it was. At first it kind of hesitated when it was gonna start, but then it ran for a while and it kind of out of funny, and then I cut it back off. Then I started it again and it started right up, and then it kind of out of funny, but not really. So I'm just driving it right now to help the throttle body memorize itself, I guess. Some Kang said, I don't know, but I'm driving it. Just so everything get back to where it was before I took the battery off. What else? Oh yeah, and I'm finna take this junk to her. Take the car to her. Hopefully everything's straight. And yeah, I'm finna go pick my little brother up so he can follow me to take her car back. And yeah. So yeah, no lights on other than the oil change and that man, I swear I want to do the same thing, cause these folks driving like 2020. But yeah, man, I'm finna what I was saying, oh yeah, ain't no lights on but the tire pressure and the oil change, and yeah, I'm about to go and drop this joint off, and I'm finna go back to the house. Might smoke me a cigar or something, I don't know. But yeah. So there it is, man. Y'all seen your boy put the alternator on the 2012 Toyota Camry. Did that right quick. Hey, it's my first job for the new year, man. First job of the new year. It's all good. Had to get baby straight though. Couldn't leave her out here like that. I'm glad it was what it was. I was hoping it was the belt or something like that, something simple. Which I mean, this wasn't hard though. Like it wasn't hard. It wasn't nothing but 2 bolts. Take the alternator out. And the other little stuff like the little harnesses and all that. So it really wasn't nothing to do that. But yeah. Man, this boy need an alignment bad. Can y'all see the truck going down the road sideways? Can y'all see that? Through the camera. But yeah, man. Go scoop up little bro, man. You know, I'm finna get her a car. Yeah, that's what you get for cutting me off, sucker.